freebeats.io. 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 Freebeats.io.
Hello farmers, well done. There is a work I supervise in the middle of this, in this year. So I have to come to the farm to check what is going on in the farm. So that is what brought me in here. It's a fish pond. So as you can see, these are the ponds. So we have one here and we have the other one around this place. All this pond were dug by excavator, so I was the one monitoring it till the work got finished. So if you want to do your own work, you can actually contact me. These are the excavator pond, and we have already stocked fish inside them, so you can check. So we have a lot of fish in the pond there, so you can see, and we have the nursery ponds over there, some places there too. So there are nursery pond everywhere there. So we have, we are just constructing the you can see the farmhouse. We have the store and the hatchery there too, so you can see we have the concrete tank here to hatch our fish inside. So this is part of it. In case you want to construct something like this, it is very easy, so I can help you monitor it. So yeah, it's a big farm, so you can start your own too. So there's nothing stopping you, so you can actually start your own farm too without anything stopping you. So don't just give up, don't be idle, don't let excuse be your order of days. So you can just rise up and do something, no matter how small it is, so you can start. This farm was actually they started it this year, so, and it's actually growing bigger. So when they started, they didn't finish everything at once, so you can actually take a gradual step to do your own farm. So it is very easy.